Friends, do you want to speak English? Do you want to learn English? Has your growth stopped without English? If yes, then this video is for you. Hi friends, I'm Babita Prajapati, watching my channel Learn English with Babita. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Friends, whatever I'm going to tell you, that is very important for you because I did the same when I was learning English. Right? Friends, friends, the question comes how to learn English and how to speak English. There should be any guide, there should be any method to learn English. And what is the easiest way to learn English? So friends, don't worry about it. Here I'm going to tell you 4 tips to improve your English. So friends, must watch this video till the end. So let me tell you tip number first. Tip number first is listening to English. Yes, friends, listening is a great way to improve yourself. Friends, when a child comes into this world, that child listens. And he listens a lot. He listens. He keeps listening for 2 to 3 years. And he listens. He listens attentively to what his mother is saying, what his father is saying, how are his family members speaking. So friends, in this way, you can also listen. You can listen anything according to your choice. For example, you can listen English news, English podcast, English songs, and English story. It's totally up to you. Whatever you want to listen that thing. So friends, try to listen every single day without skipping. It is really very, very important for you. If you listen every day, then you can understand lots of things. Now I'm going to tell you tip number second. Tip number second is try to speak English. Yes, friends, when a child starts speaking, he speaks in his own words. Whether the word is wrong or right, it doesn't matter, but he speaks. So friends, in this way, you can also speak. Friends, the child speaks very simple and small words and broken words, but he speaks. So friends, in this way, you can also speak like this. Friends, if you want to improve your English, then you have to speak as much as possible. Because friends, without speaking, it is possible for you that you can improve your English. So friends, try to speak every single day, at least 15 to 20 minutes in a day. Friends, forget it. If you're saying something wrong, people will laugh at you. Friends, let them laugh because it is important that you have the last laugh. Because friends, people will always say about you. Because it is people's job to say. So, try to focus on your goal, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to become in your life, and ignore such kind of people. Right? So friends, try to speak as much as possible. Right? So now I'm going to tell you tip number third. Tip number third is reading out loud. Yes, friends, when a child goes to school, then he does reading and he does a lot of reading. So friends, in this way, you can also read. Friends, you have to just pick an English book and try to read it. Whatever you are reading, read it out loud. Because friends, if you read out loud, then you can increase your fluency, you can increase your pronunciation as well. So that is why reading is very, very important for everyone if you want to improve your English. So try to read every single day without skipping. Friends, you have to read at least 1 or 2 pages in a day. It's enough for you if you are beginner, right? Now, let me tell you tip number 4. Tip number 4 is think in English. Yes, friends, now you have learned lots of things like listening, speaking, reading. And now it's time to think in English, right? Friends, whatever you are doing at your home, at your workplace, then think about that work in your mind in English. For example, here I'm telling you, friends, if you're making tea, think. At the same time, think in your mind in English like I'm making tea. If you are eating something, at the same time, think in your mind I'm eating. If you are playing, then think in your mind at the same time I'm playing. If you are talking to someone, think in your mind at the same time I'm talking with my friend. So friends, in this way, you have to think. Friends, try to do all those things, whatever I said. Friends, I hope you liked it. If you liked it, Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. So friends, thank you so much for watching me and listening me. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.